Switch to 1.5 play speed for better viewing experience.
Imagine your website as a high-performance car. The control panel is the dashboard. It's where you manage everything from web speed to web features. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one for you? Well, clear your confusion by keep watching this video. In today's digital age, website hosting is a backbone of online presence. But what makes a great hosting experience? One crucial element is a control panel. Think of control panel as a cockpit of your website. It's the interface that allows you to manage everything about your website, from files and databases to emails and security settings. There are so many different types of control panels, but the four major control panels are cPanel, Plex, CWP, and Solid CP. These are the four types of control panel that we are going to discuss in this video, and we'll get to understand which control panel can be beneficial for your business and for your uses. cPanel is one of the most popular control panel known for its user-friendly interface and extensive features. It's a great choice for the beginners and small to medium-sized businesses. The cPanel is supported in Linux only, but it is used for creating, managing email and databases of your website information. Along with that, it also provided features such as light speed web server, less encrypted SSL, along with that the cloud Linux. With all of the advantages of cPanel, the very first advantage is it is easy to use. Any beginner can use the cPanel because it's provide a really user-friendly interface, so you can easily manage and access your website data. Second one is it have a vast community support. Since cPanel is open source, so people can come and add on the really useful features and which increase the modern designing and feature for the users. It have a wide range of plugins also. Now, Plex is another popular option which is majorly chosen by the web developers and agency. It offers the little bit complex interface and advanced feature for maintaining multiple websites. To talk about the advantages of Plex, the very first advantage is that it is a very powerful, it provides really powerful features for the developers. Since Plex is used by the web developers, it is important and crucial to have a powerful features within it. The second feature is that it can manage multiple domains parallelly at a time. Unlike the cPanel, can provide you the features such as managing the multiple domains. And the very third is because of its high performance, the developer majorly prefer Plex. Second, if we talk about the disadvantages of Plex, the very first is it's really complex for the beginners. And the second one, it have a high learning curve. That's why Plex considered to be suitable for the web developers and the agency. Down the list, we have CWP. It is a free and open source alternative, gained popularity for its lightweight nature and performance. It is good choice for budget conscious user and those who prioritize speed. If we talk about the advantages of CWP, the very first advantage that it's a free of cost. Second one, it's a lightweight and good performance. So there is some disadvantages of CWP that it might have a limited feature comparative to the paid option, and it also have a small community support as well. And then in the end, we have Solid CP. It is another free and open source option known for its modern interface and easy to use. It is good choice for those who want a clear and intuitive experience. If you talk about the advantages of Solid CP, the very first, it is free. It have a modern design. It is easy to learn and suitable for the beginners. The best control panel for you depend on the specific needs, considering the factors like size of website, the technical expertise, and the budget. For the beginners and the small businesses, cPanel and the Solid CP might be a good starting point. But for the developers and who want to have a multiple website, Plex can be a powerful option. And for those who are in a budget tight and prioritizing performance, C, CWP and Solid CP can be suitable for them. Conclusion, the right control panel can significantly enhance your website hosting experience. By understanding the feature and the benefits of different options, you can make an informative decision and enhance your website running smoothly. At TrackBank Data Center, we offer a variety of control panel to suit your needs. Contact us today to learn more about and find perfect solutions for your website.